Prior to starting ECT, I was basically in a depressive coma. I was severely depressed, suicidal for a solid 10 years. It's very difficult to put it into words. Empty and numb come the closest, but they're not quite there because there's a sort of hollow pain.
Words such as hopeless and helpless come to mind. I have suffered from bipolar depression for many years.
My husband had a breakdown episode. He was taking a lot of medication, wanted to find out what other kind of treatment that's going to help him besides the medication. And when I found out about ECT, I said, we have to try it.
I was having trouble getting out of bed. I was sleeping all the time, not showering, trouble eating, and I was very hopeless. I had been in treatment for 10 years and we had not found anything that worked.
ECT is a medical procedure. Like a lot of other medical procedures, it's one that's done under general anesthesia. So in other words, the patient is put completely to sleep. It's one where we use a medical device that sends a small electric current through the head of the patient after they're completely asleep, and it causes a short controlled seizure. And it's that seizure that actually helps to cause physiologic changes in the brain that help translate into clinical improvement.
The benefits are that the treatments are absolutely essential to my being able to function.
The doctors, the staff, everybody that was involved, from the time they get him ready, and they'd explain everything to both of us, what was going to happen. If we had questions, they would answer those questions for us, and they just made everything smooth and at ease.
The team at Baptist Easley Hospital is wonderful, from the people who just greet you and bring you in, all the way through the whole treatment. They treat people like their family.
ECT is often considered one of the most effective treatments for certain psychiatric disorders like major depressive disorder, bipolar disorder, or catatonia. By some estimates, is up to 80% effective for the treatment of depression symptoms. It's important to remember that no procedure or treatment is 100% effective, but it is by far one of the most effective treatment for certain psychiatric disorders.
My experience with Prisma ECT was absolutely incredible, and the ECT team, just as a whole, are absolutely fantastic. The short and sweet of how ECT has helped is that it saved my life and then completely changed it. So I have a life, I'm happy and fulfilled, and those are things that I never saw myself having.